How to use Amazon affiliate program in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon affiliate program. So first of all, just open your Chrome browser and search for Amazon Associates and click on the first link that you see. So as you can see that Amazon affiliate marketing program is one of the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. The Amazon Associate program help content creator, publishers and blogger monetize their traffic with millions of products and programs available on Amazon Associates. So you can use an easy link building tool to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. So all you have to do is just sign up and join the Amazon Associate program and just recommend and share the products with the audience. Amazon affiliates offer you a customized linking tool for larger publishers, individual bloggers and social media influencers, and you can earn up to 10% in affiliate fees from qualifying purchases and programs over competitive conversion rates that helps maximize earnings. So just go ahead and sign up and use Amazon affiliate program. So this is how you can use Amazon affiliate program in mobile. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.